This is a used 2005 Lincoln Town Car, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, traction control, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Red McCombs Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 8333 LH-10 West, San Antonio, Texas 78230.